loves to create events, workshops for our customers. These workshops are great to be introduced to brand new products and to ask as many questions you want. Interactions with the manufacturers, one-to-one. It's a very beneficial experience.
I'm Nigel Ward from WisuAlarm and very pleased to be here today in this location to provide installer training to Huvo customers to provide useful information to aid getting it right first time. Morning everyone, thanks very much for being here this morning in this very nice venue. And all singing, all dancing if so wish, where you can look at your network via an app. England, Wales, Scotland have their own separate building regs. But all of those building regs refer back to the BS 5839 Part 6. And recently that has put higher pressure on landlords to ensure that tenants, where there's a field burning device in the property, that they have carbon monoxide monitoring. Beauty of ours is, as soon as you reapply power, it will trickle charge that standby battery back up to full power again. So they have dual spectrum and they also have mesh around the chamber to reduce false alarms from dust ingress. Now that they've been carrying out plastering, painting, you name it. I've opened up the alarms, they're full of crud and muck. You'll find that most battery-only alarms don't come with that cover. Ours do, to try and minimise those risks. Carbon monoxide, the silent killer. We can't see it, we can't smell it, can't hear it. This will start showing the CO once the level gets to 30 parts per million and go trigger at 50. So when it comes to test time, I can walk through each room, press this, it puts the alarm, all the alarms into a continuous state for 2 minutes. Once I've gone through all the rooms, yeah, all the alarms are working, press that and it silences it. And we're the only ones that have this. So if the alarms are in an alarm state, you grab any working remote control, point it to the device, press any button, it will silence it. We've had a wonderful day here at this location, lots of interaction from the guys, and if you would like to know more information about our WisuAlarm products, please visit our website.